lean meats, and healthy protein sources. One thing that has been proven time and again is that protein is great for the body for a variety of reasons. Not only does it help you to build muscle mass, but it also has a tendency to help to stave away hunger, which can be a great way to enforce portion control when it seems most impossible. However, some protein sources are better than others. And if you want to make sure that you are encouraging your body to heal at the most rapid rate possible, while building muscle that helps to burn fat quickly, you want to avoid protein sources that are actually going to be putting more fat into your body. Lean protein sources are the best for you, especially if you want to lose weight effectively and do whatever it takes to maintain the lifestyle that you are creating for yourself. These sources of protein are important in your weight loss journey, and the following paragraph will outline the best lean protein sources that you can find, both animal-based and plant or seed-based. Eggs are one of the best lean protein sources. They are filling and packed full of this particular nutrient, and you don't have to eat a whole lot of them to get a high amount of protein and a good boost of energy. This is a great snack to have post-workout to help you to build muscle and burn fat all day long. Lean meats are mostly poultry-based, such as the white meat found in turkey or chicken. Red meats are more fatty and less lean, which can have an adverse effect on weight loss. Other lean protein sources include soy and seafood, though be careful about where you get your seafood from. Unfortunately, some seafood is contaminated with pollutants such as mercury due to the coal factories so close to the oceans. And you also want to be wary of farmed fish as well. Look into ethically raised seafood if you're interested in adding that to your diet. And remember that making sound and informed choices about your food is the fastest way toward maintaining a foolproof diet for the rest of your life. Other great lean protein sources include nuts and seeds, such as sunflower seeds, almonds, pistachios, cashews, walnuts, pumpkin seeds, and other commonly known seed and nut varieties that are packed with proteins and healthy fats. Healthy fats are also important when it comes to weight loss. If you are eating unhealthy fats, then you are bound to gain weight. However, healthy fats are essential to the body's makeup and can be very important to keep in the diet. They support your body and provide you with a great source of energy without making it more difficult to lose weight. Healthy fats include things such as nuts and seeds, nut butters in particular, and also foods like avocados and olives. Even olive oil is a good source of healthy fat and can actually be beneficial for the body in the long term rather than detrimental. Fish is another source of healthy fat. So if you are able to find a good source of seafood, eating fish is a great way to keep the body lean and healthy without abandoning the heart and savory meals that make your body and mind feel content. The difference between lean meat and fatty meat is often the source. All meat has at least a little bit of fat in it. But that is why it is so good for you to eat fish and other safe seafoods. These are full of healthy fat, not bad fat. Red meat in particular is higher in fat because the types of animals that they come from are bigger, stockier, and have a different type of diet than livestock that provides lean meat sources for consumption. Fish does not have saturated fats like the other types of meat, which makes it arguably the best choice for anyone who is going to be eating meat long term to sustain themselves and attempt to live as healthy a lifestyle as possible. Overall, meat has good points and bad points. And if you are a vegan or vegetarian or simply just don't like a whole lot of meat, there are other protein options available. Remember, tofu is made of soy, as well as tempeh, and there are other types of foods that can provide you with good protein as well, such as nuts, nut butters, seeds, and even some leafy green vegetables. Whatever your lifestyle choice happens to be, we can all eat great and make choices that will help us to be healthier and happier and more mentally alert than we have ever been before. It all starts with you. Educating yourself and starting slow is the biggest key in creating a healthy lifestyle that will provide you with a foolproof way to lose weight and keep it off, starting now.